wood is one of the world's most environmentally responsible raw materials. Why? Because trees and forests are a renewable source of raw material. Through the process of photosynthesis, trees take carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere and store it as carbon. And that carbon remains stored in wood products after the tree is harvested. So every time we use wood in houses, furniture, and commercial and public buildings, we're helping to tackle climate change. The key is to look for certification when you choose wood and wood products from certified plantations or forests. This helps protect areas of high conservation value. So next time you're building or buying something, make it wood and do your world some good.